Welcome class 2. Today we are going to start another topic of general knowledge. Okay. Today we are going to learn interesting facts about bugs. Now before moving on, you should know what are bugs. Okay. What are bugs? Bugs are small insects. Now insects को हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं? कीड़े. So bugs क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं. Okay. Now let me show you some example. Now here it is a smiling cockroach, red ant and a fly. Okay, so these are some examples of bugs. Now the first bug that we are seeing over here, I think you must have seen it in your garden या फिर आपने plants के ऊपर देखा होगा. These red color creatures, it is called ladybug. क्या बुलाते हैं हम इसे? LADYBUG, ladybug. Let me just start the pointer. Okay, now we are going to learn some facts about the ladybug. Okay, तो इसका जो लेंथ होता है it is 8 to 10 millimeters long. बहुत छोटा होता है. It is very small. Okay, इसके जो legs होते हैं they are very short and it is of bright color. Okay, नॉर्मली जो आप देख सकते हो दे आर ऑल्सो ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स बट नॉर्मली यू कैन सी इट इज़ रेड इन कलर एंड इट विल हैव ब्लैक स्पॉट्स ओवर इट. ओके, एंड इसकी जो लाइफ होती है, ओके, हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल लिव, सो द लाइफ इज़ ओनली 4 weeks. 4 हफ्ते ही ये जिंदा रह सकता है. आफ्टर दैट इट विल डाई. Then it is used by farmers for pest control. So देखा, farmers के लिए it is a very helpful bug, ladybug, and it is used by farmers for pest control. Now here is a new word that you can see, that is pest. Now what is a pest? Pest जो होते हैं these are small organisms, छोटे छोटे जीव होते हैं and they are harmful. ठीक है, वो किसी ना किसी तरीके से नुकसान करते हैं क्रॉप्स का, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को, एनिमल्स को. दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल देम पेस्ट. ओके, लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट बग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. यस, नाउ ये तो आपने ज़रूर देखा होगा अपने घरों में. दिस इज अ स्पाइडर. ओके, व्हाट इज इट? इट इज अ स्पाइडर. SPIDER, spider. Now we will see some facts about the spider. Now the spider has 8 legs. Can you see here? Can you count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now there is one thing that you should always remember कि बहुत सारे जो insects होते हैं ना, बहुत सारे bugs, इनके पास normally most of them they will have 6 legs. ठीक है, कितने legs होंगे? 6 legs. Okay? Now the body is divided in 2 parts. Can you see the part? There is this head and then there is this back. Okay, so the body is divided in 2 parts. और spiders क्या करते हैं? They make webs, silk webs. Okay, webs कैसे दिखते हैं? You must have seen something like this. So it makes silk webs. And why does it make the silk web? In order to catch insects. Okay, ताकि वो खाना खा सके. Now they live everywhere. आप जहाँ भी जाओगे you will find the spider, but you will not find it in Antarctica. Now what is Antarctica? Antarctica एक जगह का नाम है और वो जगह ना बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है. वहाँ पे सारा जो पूरा रीजन है इट इज़ कवर्ड विथ आइस. बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़ होती है वहाँ पे. सिर्फ वो ऐसी जगह है या वो ऐसा प्लेस है where you cannot find spider, otherwise you will find the spider in the entire world. Now let us see the next bug. Okay, this is a very beautiful bug. It is a dragonfly. Now I don't know whether you have seen this or not, but बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है ना they tie a thread here. Okay, and then it flies. Okay, I have seen many kids doing it. Now they live near fresh water. मतलब ये कहाँ रहते हैं? पानी के पास. You can find it near the lakes, near the pond. Okay, you can find it at such places. Okay, now it has a long strong body. You can see it is long, right? patla hai and it is long and the body is very strong. It is of different colors. ये आप देख सकते हो, it is green in bluish green in color. Now here this is a dragonfly which is pink in color. Okay, तो ये जो ड्रैगन फ्लाई होते हैं वो अलग अलग कलर्स के होते हैं. यू कैन फाइंड डिफरेंट कलर्स. नाउ दे हैव बिग आईज. कैन यू सी देयर आईज 1 and 2? Okay, they have very big eyes. Okay, and they are among the fastest insect. ये they fly very fast. Okay, now let us see the next insect. Okay, I hope you identify it. Can you identify which insect is this? Yes, it is a grasshopper. Hop, hop, grasshopper. Okay, now they can fly, they can jump or crawl. Okay, they have wings, so they can fly, they jump, okay, and they can crawl as well. Now most eat only plants. ठीक है, बहुत सारे जो grasshoppers होते हैं ना, उनका खाना क्या होता है? What is their food? The leaves of the plants. Okay, they use their antenna. Can you see this part? ये part देख सकते हो आप? This is called antenna. So this antenna it uses to touch and smell. ठीक है, स्मेल कैसे करता है, टच कैसे करता है? Isn't it interesting? Using these antennas. They have special eyes that help them to see in all directions. अगर आपके पास आंखें हैं तो आप सिर्फ जहाँ देखोगे बस उतने ही दूर देख पाओगे. You cannot see at your back, right? पीछे देख सकते हो? नहीं. But the grasshopper is a very interesting bug which can see in all directions. आगे भी देख सकता है, पीछे भी देख सकता है, left and right as well. Now let us see the next bug. Yes, now can you identify it? It bites you and you start itching. क्या है ये? Yes, mosquitoes. Now mosquitoes जब काटते हैं ना, they spread diseases. You know ना? Huh? They spread diseases like yellow fever, malaria. What is the spelling? M-A-L-A-R-I-A, malaria, and dengue, D-E-N-G-U-E. So you have to be very much aware about the mosquitoes. Okay, now इसमें ना एक बहुत चौंकाने वाली बात है. And what is it? Only female mosquitoes bite. Isn't it interesting? Yes, जैसे हमारे में मेल और फीमेल होते हैं ना, वैसे ही mosquitoes also have male and female. There is female mosquitoes and male mosquitoes. और कौन काटता है, bite कौन करता है? Only the female mosquitoes bite. The male mosquitoes, they do not bite. Okay, so you should be very careful that no mosquitoes bite you. And you know how you can prevent the mosquitoes from growing? Do you know? Yes, you should not let water collect anywhere. ठीक है, कहीं भी गंदगी नहीं होनी चाहिए, पानी जमा नहीं होना चाहिए. So you should be very careful because that is the place, gandi, dirty place and place where water collects. These are the places where mosquitoes grow. So you should always take care that you keep your surroundings clean and you do not let water collect anywhere. Now the next bug, this is white in color and its name is termite. आपने कभी सुना है लकड़ी को कीड़ा खा गया? Now what is that कीड़ा? It is a bug. It is termite. Okay, now termites are also known as white ants. Okay, because they are white in color and they look like ants, and that is why they are called as white ants. Now the white Now the white ants, they feed on dead plants, trees and wood. Let me just on this. Okay, so these are white ants and they feed on dead plants, trees and wood. Okay, it can cause damage to furniture because it can eat wood. और जो हमारे furniture होते हैं, it is mostly made up of wood, so it can harm the wood, okay, buildings and crops. Let us see the next bug. Okay, so can you identify this bug? It is found in hairs. Can you recognize? जो हमें सर में काटता है. Yes, it is a lice, जिसे हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? जूं. Okay. Now, some interesting facts. Now, these lice, they are of two types. Okay. One is a sucking lice and one is biting and chewing lice. Based on the way that they suck, that they feed on the blood, they are divided into two types. Now you know the meaning of sucking. Have you seen a small kid sucking his thumb? Thumb को जो है वो अपने मुंह में लेके and then they start sucking it. So if that is the way a lice is feeding on the blood, वैसे वो खून पी रहा है, then it is called a sucking lice. And if it is biting or chewing, then it is called a biting or chewing lice. Now where can you find these lice? They grow in hair. Okay, hairs, eyebrow, etc. And it's not that it is only found in the hairs or eyebrows of the human beings, but you can also find it in animals. ठीक है, जो hairy animals होते हैं ना, उनके hairs में भी you can find lice. And how does it grow? If you do not keep yourself clean, then there is a possibility that the lice might grow. So you should always keep yourself clean. You should always clean the animals. If you are having a pet animal, you should make sure that it is also clean, because otherwise it will also get troubled by the lice. Now let us see the next bug. Okay, I think you must have seen it in your house. It eats sugar. जहाँ पे मीठा होता है ना, वहाँ पे ये जल्दी से आ जाते हैं. What are these? These are ants. Okay. Now let us see some interesting facts about the ant. Now the ant, they live in colonies. वो एक group में रहते हैं. You must have seen that if there is ant in your house, it will be in line. मतलब एक के पीछे एक ant जो है line में चलते जाएंगे. Why? Because it is a group. Okay, they live in colonies. The ants do not have ears. उनके पास कान नहीं होते. Isn't it interesting? Now you will think that if they do not have ears, how do they listen? So they use their feet to listen. उनके जो पैर होते हैं ना, feet, उसको use करके वो सुनते हैं. कैसे? Whenever you walk, ठीक है, जब भी आप walk करते हो, आप किसी wooden table पे walk करो, you will see that there is some sort of vibration that happens on the table. इसी तरह के vibrations तब होते हैं when you are walking on the floor, and these vibrations the ant can sense. Isn't it interesting? इतनी छोटी सी चीज it can sense. Okay, so it listens through its feet. Now it can be found everywhere except Antarctica. Okay, आप कहीं भी वर्ल्ड में जाओगे, you will find ants, and the same way the spider also you can find it everywhere except only one place, and that is Antarctica. They are very strong. Why do we call them strong? Because they can carry 15 times their own body weight. इसका मतलब क्या है? अपने बॉडी के वेट का 50 times more weight. ठीक है, they can carry. So imagine, that is why they are called strong. Now let us see the next bug. Bird नहीं, bug. Okay, this is green caterpillar. कभी आपने देखा है कॉलीफ्लावर जब मम्मी काट रही होती है, so you will find this caterpillar in that green color का. So what is the spelling of caterpillar? C-A-T-E-R, cater, P-I-A-A-R, pillar. Caterpillar. So it is made up of two words. Okay. Now the caterpillar, if you see, आपको ऐसा लगेगा उसके पास बहुत सारे legs हैं, but it's not true. It has only 6 true legs. जो सही में legs होते हैं, it has only 6, and the others are false legs. Now, do you know how many pairs of eyes the caterpillar has? अच्छा, ये बताओ, how many pair do you have? Yes, human beings have only one pair of eyes. One pair मतलब 2 eyes. ठीक है, 2 eyes एक पेयर बनाएंगे. नाउ कैटरपिलर के पास पता है कितने आईज हैं? इट हैज 6 पेयर ऑफ आईज, यानी कि टोटल कितने हो गए? 12. 6 2s are 12 आईज है कैटरपिलर के पास. Isn't it interesting? It eats a lot. Okay. And now let us see the next bug. The next bug over here is a cockroach. You must have seen cockroach, but it is very necessary that you keep your surroundings clean so that no cockroach enters your house, because it also spreads diseases like typhoid. Okay. Now there are some interesting facts about the cockroach that you must know. It can hold its breath for 40 minutes. 40 minutes, really? Now आप अपना सांस रोक के देखो, how many minutes can you hold? Just imagine, it can hold its breath for 40 minutes. It can live almost a month without food. आपको अगर खाना ना मिले तो एक दिन में हमें भूख लग जाएगी, but it can survive a month, 1 month without food. It can live for up to 1 week without its head. अगर इसका हेड निकाल दिया जाए, then too the cockroach can survive for up to 1 week. Now these are very interesting facts. You can share them with your friends and you can just shock them. Okay. Now let us see the next bug. Now this is a group of honeybee. Honeybee हमें क्या देती है? It gives us honey, sweet sweet honey. Can you see here? Yes, it is very healthy for you. You should always eat honey. Okay. Now it live in hives. आपने honey bee का घर देखा होगा ना? Bee hives it is called. Okay, so it also lives in groups. जैसे ant group में रहते हैं, वैसे ही honey bees भी group में रहते हैं. Now there are some members. यहाँ पे आपको picture दिख रही है. Let me explain you. Now the members of, जैसे ग्रुप में रहते हैं, सो देर आर सर्टेन मेंबर्स. ओके, सो दे आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 टाइप्स. मतलब आपको 3 टाइप्स के हनी बी दिखेंगे. वन इज द क्वीन बी. कैन यू सी हियर? यस, क्वीन के नाम से ही आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए कि इट इज अ रानी, जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ठीक है. देन देर इज अ वर्कर बी. वर्कर बी जो होती हैं वो फीमेल होती हैं. ओके. एंड देन देर इज अ ड्रोन. ओके, ड्रोन और वर्कर ये बहुत सारे होते हैं, बट जो क्वीन होती है ना, इट इज ओनली वन. नाउ हर एक मेंबर का देर इज सम वर्क दैट इज बीन अलॉटेड टू ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर. नाउ व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ द क्वीन? द वर्क ऑफ द क्वीन इज टू रन द होल हाइव. वो पूरे हाइव में देखती है कि सब लोग अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं. Now what is the work of the worker bee? The name only suggests it has to work. काम करना है. तो ये क्या करती हैं? ये फूल से जाके, फ्लावर्स से जाके हनी लेकर आती हैं. And then there is a drone. Drone also does the same work the female bee does. Okay. Now this is the work of the bees. Now they give you honey, which is very delicious, so they are very important for us. Now bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. I will be giving you assignment, okay, related to the bugs. So I hope you will be able to complete it and get all the answers. Okay, take care. Bye bye.